Unit number first, SCR, that is Silicon Control Rectifier, presented by Mr. S.D. Shelar. Next slide is contents, in which introduction, symbols and terminology, then SCR characteristics, types of SCR, SCR switching characteristics, applications of SCR, advantages, disadvantages, result and conclusions. Then introduction. First is the name of thyristor derived from Greek word. It is called as hyknera, also is called as doer, that is switching on, switching off devices. The thyristor is a bistable semiconductor devices. It consists of 3 or more junctions, can be switched from off state to on state. Then this SCR switching from off state to on state by using control signal, that is gate signal. Then in switch off condition, normally caused by current to thyristor dropping below critical level. In 1960, the thyristor developed. It is called as bidirectional thyristor, called as triac. Then the name of devices and symbols are shown in. First one is silicon control rectifier, that is SCR. It consists of 3 terminals: anode, cathode, gate. Then triac, they consist of 2 terminal, terminal 2 and terminal 1 and gate. Also is thyristor surge protective device, that is there are 2 terminals, terminal 1 and terminal 2. Then PUT, that is called as programmable unijunction transistor. It consists of anode, gate and cathode. There are different types of SCR. First one is diac, triac, SVS, Lasker, POT and SUS. There are different types of SCR in which their terminals are shown in. Then construction of SCR. It consists of 3 terminals. First is anode, cathode and gate. Anode is positive charge, cathode is negative charge. Then it consists of transistor, that is PNP and NPN transistor. It consists of 3 junctions, J1, J2 and J3. It is a 4-layer PNPN device. Is a prominent number of thyristor family. It consists of 3 diodes connected back to back with connection. It is also called as 2 complementary transistor. Then SCR is widely used in switching devices, in power electronic devices and power control applications. It can switch on for variable length of time and deliver select amount of power to the load. It can control the switching the current off and on up many thousands of time. Then SCR is one of the oldest type of solid power electronic device. It was first invented in 1975 in General Electrical Research Laboratory. The basic structure and construction of SCR shown in. It is 4-layer PNPN device and also 3 junctions, J1 and J2. Then in which anode, in which current flowing through is IA, and cathode current flowing through is, then current flowing from positive to negative with the help of control with gate current. Then next is, it is total overview of the construction we have explained here. Then operation of SCR, then in which the SCR in which a load is connected in series with anode and kept its positive potential with respect to cathode. Then when gate is open, then no voltage applied to the gate. Under the condition, junction J1 and J3 are forward bias, then junction J2 is reverse bias. When gate is open, junction J1 and J3, junction J1 and J3 forward bias and junction J2 is reverse bias due to there is a no current flowing through it. Then when gate is closed, then junction J1 and J3 reverse bias and J2 is forward bias. This is operational condition of SCR. The next is VI characteristics of SCR. It is called as static characteristics of SCR, in which x-axis drawn voltage, that is anode to cathode voltage, and y-axis draw current I, that is anode current measured in microampere, in which IL denotes as latching current, IH is called as holding current. Then in which there are 4 quadrant operations: first quadrant, second quadrant, third quadrant, and fourth quadrant. Then there is forward condition and this is reverse condition, that is this is opposite to each other. Then in which the VI characteristics can be split into 2 parts, namely forward characteristic, that is forward characteristics, and reverse characteristics. In forward characteristics divided into 3 states, that is forward, blocking state, transition state, and on state. That is forward, blocking state, transition state, and on state. In forward blocking state, high voltage in forward blocking state, in which high voltage and low current mode in operation, that is thyristor in off state. Then in transition state, SCR remains blocking. In blocking state means forward anode to blocking means forward anode to cathode voltage is less. In blocking state, anode to cathode voltage is less than the breakover voltage, that is anode to cathode voltage, that is this voltage is less than breakover voltage. Then the switching of SCR from off state to on state, the switching of SCR from off state to on state is called as transition state. Okay, then this is finally large current flowing through it, that is Ig1 is greater than Ig2 and Ig2 greater than Ig3, that is this current is greater than this, and this is at this stage latching current, that is current is highly increases. Holding current means that is constant current with respect to cathode voltage. Then current is slightly increases on state. Okay, then reverse condition, the reverse characteristic, that is these characteristics are similar to the forward characteristics. Then in which reverse voltage is less than reverse breakdown voltage, in which very small current flowing through it, the reverse voltage reaches breakdown voltage, and then at this stage avalanche breakdown take place and large reverse current flowing through it. Okay, that is large reverse current flowing through it. This is overall operation of static characteristics and VI characteristics of SCR, in which forward breakover voltage, that is forward breakover voltage, in which the maximum forward voltage between anode to cathode, that is final state, it is maximum forward voltage from anode to cathode is called as breakover voltage. Then forward leakage current, the small amount of current flowing through the off state device to on state device is called as forward leakage current device. Then holding current, the minimum current flowing through SCR and still hold, that is minimum current flowing through SCR still hold is called as holding current. Then on state voltage, that is increasing voltage, that is voltage across SCR is in on state is very low as compared to off state voltage is called as on state voltage, then latching current, then latching current, sorry, the minimum anode current that flowing through SCR and latch into on state is called as latching current. That is minimum anode current flowing through SCR to latch into on state is called as latching current. Latching current is higher than holding current. Latching current is very important to start SCR in conduction state. This is simple operation of wave characteristics and static characteristics. Then dynamic characteristics of SCR. First characteristic drawn, gate current versus time t, then anode current time t, then anode to cathode voltage, that is VAK, drawn with time t, and power loss, that is VAK into anode current, that is IT. This is waveform of SCR in turn on, in which three times: rise time, delay time, and peak time. Okay. First is turn on time of SCR, in which the forward bias thyristor can be turned on by using applied voltage from anode to cathode terminal. Then it takes some time to transition time, go from forward blocking mode to forward conduction mode. This transition time is called as turn on time. Then SCR is subdivided into three small intervals. First one is delay time of SCR, rise time, and spread time SCR. First one is delay time of SCR. After application of gate current, the thyristor will start conducting very tiny region. Then delay time of SCR can be defined as the time taken by the gate current to increase 90% to 100% of final value, that is IG. Then another point of view delay time is interval in which anode current rises from leakage current is 10%, its final value. Then same time anode voltage will follow from 100% to 10% of initial value, that is delay time. That is gate current is moves from 0.9 Ig, then anode current moves from 0 to 0.1%, then anode voltage from 0.9 volt ampere, then power loss increase from 0 to this point, E point. Okay. Then rise time. The rise time of SCR, the time taken by rise time of SCR, the time taken by anode current rises from 10% to 9% value. That is anode voltage will be fall from 90% to 10%. That is anode current and anode voltage are opposite to each other in rise time of SCR. That is rise time. That is anode current rises from 10% to 90%, and anode to cathode voltage decreases from 90% to 10%. That is both are opposite to each other. That is anode current to anode cathode voltage. Then split time of SCR. It is the anode current rises from 90% to 100% of final value. At the same time, the anode voltage decrease from 10% its initial value of smallest possible value. Then split time depends on cross sectional area of cathode. Then in this interval, time conduction spread all over the area of cathode SCR will go fully on state. This is dynamic characteristics of SCR, that is depends on rise time, delay time, and spreading time, in which rise time is very important as compared to delay time, and then delay time is required for to on state of thyristor. That is delay time is very important to start conduction of SCR. Okay.